Order! Order! You are an incorrigible delinquent at times. Behave yourself, man!
The number of wild bees across England is on the decline, according to scientists. They say the sharp fall of up to 30% can be linked to the use of a controversial pesticide which is temporarily banned in the EU. The research, which was published in the journal Nature Communications, was carried out by scientists based in Oxfordshire, and Rebecca Morell is there for us now. Rebecca.
Well, it's an idyllic rural scene here, but across the countryside we're facing a major problem. Bees are in dramatic decline, and the problem has been linked to habitat loss, climate change and disease. But in recent years, a light has been shone on a group of pesticides called neonicotinoids, and scientists believe they've got evidence that they're causing a widespread problem. They're vital for the environment, pollinating our flowers, fruits and crops. But Britain's bees are in trouble, and now scientists say there's evidence that pesticides are linked to their widespread decline. In farmland across the country, neonicotinoid chemicals have been widely used for years. This field of oilseed rape is just about ready for harvest, and it's this crop that's treated with the insecticide. The chemical is applied to the seeds before they're planted, and this protects the plants from pests as they grow. But since 2013, farms haven't been allowed to use the pesticides after the European Union put a temporary ban in place. Smaller lab-based studies suggested they were harming bees. However, this latest research from the Centre for Ecology and Hydrology analysed their effect on dozens of species across the whole of England. And they found that bees that foraged on neonicotinoid-treated oilseed rape were 3 times more likely to be in decline than the species that didn't.
What we've been able to do here is massively increase the scale of what we're looking at. We're looking at the whole of England, we're looking at a long time periods, over 18 years, and we're also looking at 62 species of wild bee. And it's really this massive increase in scale that's really separates this study from what's gone before.
But one company that makes neonicotinoids says it's not clear that the pesticides are to blame, and the ban is hurting farmers.
The alternatives when it comes to growing oilseed rape in a UK landscape seem to be very few, and the ones that are there don't appear to be really helping. We're seeing a lot of destruction of crops out there, and farmers really struggling to be able to even grow this crop in the UK now.
This growing body of research on the plight of bees is currently being examined by the EU. Next year they'll decide whether to lift the ban or make it permanent. It's clearly an incredibly complex issue, and one of the biggest problems is it's nearly impossible to grow oilseed rape without pesticides. So if you get rid of neonicotinoids, you have to replace them with another chemical, and that chemical may bring along a whole host of other environmental problems. But then on the other hand, bees are essential for farmers. They pollinate so many different crops. One thing is for sure though, it's going to be an incredibly difficult decision.
Rebecca, thank you.
I've been getting away with it all